Sa nag-iisang paligsahan kung saan tagisan ng galing at pasiklaban ng diskarte ang kailangan. This is Mix Olympics! Once again, we will test the knowledge and skills of your favorite celebrities pagdating sa pop culture and of course, some music. So ngayon, kilalanin na natin ang ating mga contestants for today. Starting off with the team to my left. They are called Team Single. So please welcome Luigi Davola, Maris Racal, Makoy De Leon, and Shea Bustamante. Hello, guys. Dapat ko pa ba yung tanong, bakit Team Single ang inyong pangalan? Or, yun na yun? Ayan, sige mo na. Inapos mo yung lahat. Papakinggan natin ang iyong kwento. But are you guys ready for Mix Olympics? Alam niyo ba kung ano mangyayari today? Meron na ba kayong idea?
Alam ko ready for a relationship.
Yes. Ay, ready na ba for a relationship? Or will you stick with the Team Single? That's the question. So there you go. I hope you guys are ready for Mix Olympics. So tingnan natin kung sino ang inyong mga makakalaban for today. To my right, we got Team Gimme One. At kasama natin, Neil Coleta, Ella Cruz, John Bermundo, and Rene Piazza. Hello, guys. Welcome to Mix Olympics. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Very good. That is the spirit. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang magwawagi. We will have 5 games for today. And we are going to start off with game number 1, which is called Who You. Members of each team will go head-to-head in giving the correct answer to our given question. Multiple choices are provided. The first player to press the buzzer gets 5 seconds to answer, but if the answer is incorrect, the other team gets a chance to steal. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. Simulan na natin with Luigi and Neo. You guys will start off. Kausapin muna natin kayo. Hi, Luigi. Kumusta? How's everything?
I am good, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, what do you want to say to everyone? Anything you want to promote or your online accounts, of course?
Okay, follow me on Instagram or Twitter. It's just Luigi_Davola.
Luigi Davola. Follow Luigi on Instagram and Twitter. And how about you, Neil? What's keeping you busy nowadays? Anong gusto mo sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood niya?
You know, good luck sa atin lahat.
Online accounts? Meron ko ba gustong sabihin sa mga tao?
Follow me on Friendster and joke lang. IG ko ay I'm Neil Coleta. I'm Coleta Neil and Twitter account ko is I'm Neil Macoleta.
Ayan. So there you go. Follow natin ang ating mga friends na kasama natin ngayon dito sa Mix Olympics. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung kilala nyo ba itong mga babanggitin kong handles. So kung tayo,
pwede ba try?
testing nyo muna, sige.
Magana.
Wait lang. After the light. Yan. There you go. So malalaman natin kung sino ang unang mag-press kasi once na nag-buzz ng isang team, hindi natutunog ang kabila. At iilaw-ilaw siya dyan ng konti. Ha? Okay. So kamay sa gilid para pantay. Here we go, guys. Twitter handle. Meron tayong choices, ha? You have 3 choices, but if you think you know, you can buzz already. Here we go. Hello, Banksy. Letter A. No coaching, guys, ha? No coaching. Kung sino lang nandito, yun lang ang pwede sumagot. Okay, Neo.
Banks Garcia.
Banks Garcia. Good guess, but that is incorrect. So a chance for you, Luigi. Here we go. Twitter handle, Hello, Banksy. Letter A, Banks Garcia. Letter B, Catherine Bernardo. Letter C, Nadine Lustre.
That's all?
Hindi ako
Yeah,
still.
3 choices. Mamaya kapag
I think I will go... Nadine Lustre is C, right?
Yeah.
I'll go for B. B.
B, Catherine Bernardo is...
It's wrong?
Incorrect! It is not... Wait, meron pa ba? Pwede pa? Wala na? Okay, since nabigay nyo na yung dalawang choices natin dito, it's obvious na yung last natin, will be Nadine Lucer, and that is the correct answer. So, pwede na kayong maupo dahil mangyayari dyan unahan na lang sa pagpindot.
Alright.
Here we go! Maris and Ella. Kayong dalawa naman. Hi! Hi, Maris. Kamusta? How's
Okay
everything?
lang.
Anong gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon? And of course, yung mga accounts ninyo, pwede nyo na rin banggitin, guys.
Hello guys, follow niyo ako sa Instagram, Maris Teller, and sa Twitter, @MarisTellerAkan.
Ayan, there you go. And Ella, hello!
Ayan. First, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Mix for having me sa Mix Celebrity
That
Birthday
is
ng
right.
September. Ngayon, nandito
Yes.
naman ako sa Mix Olympics. Pero syempre, follow niyo ako sa Twitter and Instagram @It'sEllaCruz. And check out my YouTube channel, EllaCruz06.
Ayan, kung gusto nyo makita lahat ng mga dance moves
Yes.
na ginagawa ni Ella, check out her YouTube account. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung updated kayo sa mga dapat i-follow sa Instagram at Twitter. Para sa inyong dalawa, we will go to Instagram. Ang hinahanap natin ay ang owner ng handle na Teddy's Photos. Maris?
Ted, yung singer. Ay, yung host ng
You have to
Showtime.
give me the full name.
Ted! Ted Corpus!
Okay, Teddy Corpus. Teddy Corpus is incorrect. Okay, here we go. Ito ang may choices tayo ha. Instagram, Teddy's Photos. Letter A, Teddy Corpus. Letter B, Ted Filon. Letter C, Ed Sheeran. You have 5 seconds to answer.
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran daw, Teddy's Photos. Ed Sheeran is correct! Very good, very good. So, 1 point na para sa inyo at ang susunod nating contestants, Makoy and John. Kayong dalawa, dito guys. Makoy? Kamusta guys? Hello, Makoy. Tulad ng tinanong ko sa ating mga kasama dito kanina, meron ba kayong mga shows, mga gusto niyo i-promote at of course yung online accounts ninyong dalawa?
Yun po, unang-una, thank you muna sa Mix na nag-invite sa akin dito.
Maraming salamat
Thank you po.
din.
May Twitter, Makoy De Leon po. Makoy De Leon, and Instagram, MCF De Leon.
There you go. Thank you very much. And ikaw naman, John.
Yan, thank you din po sa Mix sa
Of course,
pag-invite.
maraming
First time.
salamat. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayon, ha?
First time din.
And yan, follow niyo po ako sa Instagram @JohnBermundo and sa Twitter @JohnBermundo_05.
Ayan, there you go. Alam nyo, talagang mas mag-enjoy kayo kung mananalo kayo ngayon. So, you have to make sure na mayroon kayong madadagdag at mako-contribute sa inyong mga team. So, here we go. Para sa inyong dalawa, kamay sa gilid, ha? Pwede kang lumapit konti so that you're not that far. On Instagram, Chinita Princess. Letter A, Alex Gonzaga. Letter B, Kim Chu. Letter C, Yeng Constant.
Kim Chu.
Kim Chu! Mukhang natuwa ang kanyang mga teammates. Kim Chu is correct! Good job, Makoy. Ngayon, Shay at Renee. Kayong dalawa. Dito, please, ladies.
Ano ba? Yun yung sample ko sa'yo eh.
Hi, girls! Hello! So, tulad na nga din ang tinanong ko sa kanila, it's your turn. Go ahead. You can talk to everyone.
Yes. Uy, thank you. It's my first time sa palaro ng Mix. Mix Olympics. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, Shay_BU, that's Shay Vu. And Twitter, Shay Bustamante0.
Alright, thank you very much, Shay. And how about you?
Yes, first of all, thank you, Mix, for having me here. And you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's @HeyI'mRenee. And you can check my YouTube channel. I also do covers there. It's Renee Dominic. So check
There you go, guys. Check out all the pages that we mentioned to you sa lahat ng mga kasama natin yung contestants. I-follow nyo na sila lahat. At kung di nyo nalalaman, ha? Para sa mga first time dito sa Mix Olympics, nag-trending tayo sa Twitter. Kasabay ng mga ibang mga malalakas dyan. So lalaban tayo dyan, guys. Okay, here we go. Palamahan natin Mix Olympics. Yes, yes. Thank you very much for joining us. Here we go. Ito naman ang sa inyong dalawa. Sa Twitter. Kamay sa gilid, guys.
I'm sorry.
So let's fair, okay? Robert Marian. Letter A. No coaching, ha? Letter A, Robert Downey Jr. Letter B, Robert.
Robbie Domingo.
Robbie Domingo. DJ Robbie. Robbie Domingo is correct! That is the Twitter handle of DJ Robbie. Ngayon, balik tayo ngayon kay Luigi and Neil. Kayong dalawa ulit. for round number 2. We will have 3 rounds for game number 1. Okay, on Instagram, ang handle niya, How You See It. Letter A, Eugene Domingo. Letter B, Uma Thurman. Letter C, Usher. Luigi.
Usher.
Usher Raymond. Usher is correct! Another
Wala mo yun,
point
pasensya
para
na.
sa team single. Maris and Ella, kayo dalawa ulit. Okay, para sa inyo, Twitter. Number 4, Forever Singing You. Letter U. Number 4, Ever Singing, and then letter U. Letter A, Gary Valenciano. Letter B, Martin Rivera.
Martin Rivera.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sabi ni Ella, Martin Rivera. Martin Rivera is correct! Pasok! Good job! McCoy and John.
Nakamana na.
Game.
Oh, game na daw, game na daw. Kamay sa gilid. On Twitter, 143 Red Angel. Top, letter A, Angel Aquino. Letter B, Angel Locsin. Letter C, Angelica Panganiban.
Angelica, Panganiban.
Angelica Panganiban is correct. John, para sa'yo. Again, Twitter, 143 Red Angel. Letter A, Angel Aquino. Letter B, Angel Locsin. Coaching ha, mga eye contact, mga ganyan. Angelica Panganiban.
Angel Locsin.
Angel Locsin daw. Angel Locsin is correct! Good job! And Shay and Renee, kayo ulit dalawa.
What's the standing?
Meron tayong score update later on, guys. Don't worry. Okay, here we go. Para sa inyong dalawa, on Instagram, J.Wolf.
James Reed. That's my batchmate.
James Reed. James Reed is absolutely correct. Correct. Luigi and Neil, kayo ulit for our last round.
Ano,
Ang
masagot
score natin as of this point, 4 and 3. So, dikit pa ang ating labanan. Here we go. On Twitter, A Plusk. A Plusk. A plus K pala. A plus K. Sorry. A plus K. Letter A, Alicia Keys. Letter B, Anna Kendrick. Letter C, Ashton Kutcher.
See?
C, Ashton Kutcher is correct! Yeah, do the dance, do the dance. Marie Janela, kayo ulit. On Instagram, kamay sa gilid, kilala niyo naman siguro to. Bad Gal Riri.
Wait! Oh my God! Rihanna!
Akala ko after that long hard press, magkakamali pa. Rihanna is correct! Good job, Maris! McCoy and John, sobrang na-excite. Nakalimutan na yung sagot.
Okay, 5 seconds sana. Babaan natin.
Okay.
Video mo dyan.
Para sa inyo, on Instagram, Darashi. Letter A, Aramina. Letter B, Cara Delevingne. Letter C, Sandara Park. John, okay?
Sandara Park.
With a look na confused, Sandara Park is correct! Okay lang yan. Bawi na lang mamaya. Bawi. Shay and Renee.
High five. Okay.
Ang bilis ng kamay niya
Let's do this. Snatcher talaga ako dati.
Okay. Magandang background yan. Magagamit dito. Here we go. Last one for game number 1 on Twitter. Sino si? Prat.
John Prats.
John Prats. John Prats is... Up! No. Mali pindot ng ating buzzer. Technical difficulties, but that is incorrect. One more time. On Twitter, Prat. Letter A, John Prats. Letter B, Camille Prats. Letter C, Chris Pratt.
B.
C, Chris Pratt of Guardians of the Galaxy. That is correct! So that is the correct answer for that one. At dahil dun sa huling sagot na yon, ang score natin, 6 points para sa inyo na Gimme One and Team Single with 5 points. You're only 1 point behind. Tingnan natin kung makahabol kayo sa game number 2 sa pagbabalik yan ng Mix Olympics! Welcome back to Mix Olympics! After game number 1 ang score natin, Team Single with 5 points and Gimme One with 6 points. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang magwawagi for game number 2. This one is called Members of each team will hum the song that they picked from the box provided according to the letter that I picked for them. Their team members will then guess the correct title of the song. Each team will be given 3 minutes to guess a total of 12 items. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. We'll start off with the team single. Luigi, you will be the first over here, please. Up,
Ay,
team
sorry.
single
Sabi ko
muna.
nga.
Excited. Okay lang yan. You will be the first one. Not yet. On my go.
Okay.
Here we go. 3 minutes, 12 items. Luigi, 3, 2, 1, go. Letter of T. T? Ba't ka tumatawa, Maris? 15. Give me the title. That's correct. That's correct. Letter T. Correct. Next. Letter E.
Sorry, inside.
3 minutes lang, guys. Kailangan nyo bilisan. Number 3.
Nasa'yo na lahat.
Correct. Next, Makoy. That's it. Go. Bumalik dito. Letter E. Kita naman. 16. E dapat. No dancing. Singing lang. E lang. No dancing, ha?
Ano ba?
No dancing, ha? Singing lang to. Gentleman. Correct. Next. Gentleman by Sai. Letter D. 21.
Ha? Ay, hindi ko alam to.
Pass na.
Pass.
Up.
Run away.
Luigi. Si Luigi na next. Ikot tayo ulit.
Ang chance ko
Go.
ita.
Letter X. Mahal mo o mahal ako? Mahal ko o mahal ako? Kanina. Number 4. Go.
X.
No dancing. We need the title. But that... Correct. Pass? Kayo ba na pass? The Way by Ariana Grande. The Way. Letter A. Hulaan nyo lang ng hulaan yung title. Matatamaan nyo din yan. Number 5.
Wait. Ano letter
A. Don't look at me. I cannot help you.
Pass.
Pass! Go next. Bahala na, JP na ng industry.
Ay!
Oh, text na naman.
Naniwala ko sa forever.
X4.
Ay!
XXXXX.
40 seconds.
XXX. XXXXX.
Tama naman.
Tama. XXX.
Ikaw na! Hinahanap na!
20 seconds. Pass?
XXX. XXX.
Tama naman.
XXX.
Pass?
Pass na.
Pass! Himala! Himalaya! Letter M. M. 11. Time! Wala na time. Wala na. Last, and Ryan.
Sorry, ang simba ko.
So, ilan na nakuha nila? 3 lang out of 12.
No.
Nako, guys.
For real?
3 out of 12. Tandaan nyo guys ha, this is time trial. So lahat dapat every time pag ganito binibilisan natin para nakakarami. Now, it's your turn. Dito tayo, Neil.
Kahit mga 4 points.
Okay, tulad na sa kanila, 12 items, 3 minutes, 3, 2, 1, go. Letter N.
N. That's my name.
1.
Ano tama? Ay, hindi mo!
Pass.
Pass! Justin Bieber, what do you mean?
Ano ba yan?
Letter L. 13. L.
L.
Next! Good job! Letter R. 9. R.
Wait. Go.
Pass, hindi ko alam yan.
Pass! Forevermore! Side A.
Oh my God!
Hindi ko narinig.
C. Number 6, C.
Oh my God. Ano yung letter? Hindi ko alam yung letter na Pass.
2 minutes. You don't know me, Catherine Bernardo. Letter D. Number 20, D. Okay, next.
Ang galing.
Letter K. 23. K.
Wala. KK.
Pangarap lang kita, Paroke ni Edgar. Next.
Oy!
G. 22.
Ano yan?
G.
G.
Sa kanya.
Tama yan, tama.
Hindi ko alam.
Pass.
Pare ko, Eraserhead.
Ang hirap.
Letter O. 1 minute. O.
Bumpanes.
Okay, next. Letter L. 12. L. Animals, Maroon 5. Letter V. 2. Okay, correct. Next.
Ang hirap ng chorus ng worth it, ah.
W. Oh, mamaya na yan. W. 18. 20 seconds. Pass. 12:51. Last na. Letter E.
Ang daming
That is correct. At sila ay nakakuha ng 5 out of 12 items. So they have 11 and you guys have 8. That is going into game number 3. Tingnan natin if Team Single can cut to the lead or madagdagan ba ng Gimme One sa pagbabalik yan ng Mix Olympics. Welcome back to Mix Olympics! After 2 games, ang score natin lamang pa rin ang Gimme One with 11 points and 3 points behind with 8 ang Team Single. Okay, we move on to game number 3. This one is called Scramble. Each member of the group will be given a letter. With those letters, they will form words with the help of given clues. The fastest team to form all the words wins the game. Each correct answer is equivalent to 2 points. At magsisimula tayo ulit sa team na natalo sa previous game. That is you guys. Dito na tayo sa unahan. Pwede nyo aralin ang inyong mga cards so that you know kung anong mga letters ang meron kayo at kung saan kayo pupesto. Over here, pila lang tayo sa harap. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What? B or F? F. B.
Pwede yung per...
F, ano yan?
Did he get B or A?
Makoy.
Yup, you. So, mayroon ako ibibigay na phrase. You have to flip it
P.
Yan yung mga choices ninyo para mabuo ninyo ang mga word na hinahanap natin. You guys will be given 3 minutes, 10 items. Here we go. Timer starts now. Clue number 1, part of a plant. Part of a plant. Tinan yung mga letra nyo.
Part of a plant? Fair?
Leaf.
Leaf.
Oh my God.
Go first, go first.
Ikaw. Yeah.
I don't have, yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Okay.
You.
Okay.
You were the last.
Pinakalas ka.
Check your letters.
Galing niya sa alphabet.
Maputla in English.
Pale.
Pale.
Dito ako.
Okay na.
Ayan.
Taong mapapel.
Paper.
Pale. Hindi, una ako.
Alex Gonzaga Show, Blank Love. Alex Gonzaga Show, Blank Love.
Pure.
Check yung mga letra nyo.
Pure.
Ayan.
Okay.
Pure.
Diesel or gasoline?
Ito favorite.
Few.
Hindi ako.
Dito ka. Ay, hindi. Oo nga.
Snowman and Frozen.
Oh, una ako.
Mass of bread.
Wheat.
Ano?
Mass of bread.
Anong band of friend?
Mass of bread.
Gram. No. Loaf.
Oh,
Loaf.
yan. Oh, loaf.
Thank you, sir.
No coaching.
No, I was thinking
No coaching. Spank in Filipino.
Palo.
Spank.
Dito ako.
No coaching.
Watching.
Island in Filipino.
Isla.
Isa.
Last one.
Ayan ako.
Last one.
Pulo ako.
I'm A.
Pulo. Okay, last ako.
You.
Time.
Time na?
Tapos na kayo. So you guys are, gusto nyo pa? Tapos na guys. Perfect na kayo. Perfect. 1 minute and 51 seconds. That is the time to beat. But of course, first of all, kailangan nyo muna mga...
D&G. Ay, tandaan nyo na yung letter nyo. D&G.
Any.
Okay. 3 minutes, 10 items. Pwede mag-pass, ha? Okay? Timer starts now. Husband ni Iya. Husband ni Iya.
Draw.
Okay.
Actress Blanc Alahar.
Gina.
No pain, no blank.
Oh, ito na rin. Ay, pala, ito pala.
Pakpak in English.
Wings. Okay.
Oh, dito.
Band Blank Against the Machine.
Oh my God.
Alam nyo ba yan? Blank Against the Machine.
Pass.
Pass, okay. Song Blank Future Husband.
Dear. Ay, ko, sorry. Atas yun tayo. Balik sa...
Malapad in English.
White, oo.
Ang dulo ko.
Actress Blank Bonnevie.
Dina. D.
Song Blank Beneath My Wings.
What?
Blank Beneath My Wings.
Wind ba?
Oh, win.
Wind, diba?
Don't ask me.
Dali. Okay, tama.
Lumaki in English.
Grow.
Girl.
Sorry.
Girl.
Okay, balikan natin. Band Blank Against the Machine. Blank Against the Machine. Nako.
Is that an indie band or something?
Win. Ay.
Baka naging indie band sila before.
Oh.
I'm not quite sure.
Try.
No. Beneath the... Ano?
Wine.
Against the wine.
Nako, ang dami mga nasa likod ng camera na,
Sign.
Hindi nila alam.
Madaya kami ng coach ng loob. Pati kami pa coach.
Nine.
Ayan na, meron pa kayong oras, guys.
Guys, wala na.
Wala.
Alam nyo, magbuo na lang kayo ng mga words kung yung tingin yung babae dyan.
Nine.
Nine.
Ayan. Kung hindi nyo marinig ang tamang answer, ang correct na buzz, di ikot ulit.
Ward?
Blank against the machine.
Walang A.
Blank against the machine.
Tape to eh.
Ito ako ni...
Kasi may IR.
Ito, W.
Blank against the machine.
Hindi kita naman ulit.
Dine. No? Dine. Huh?
N-A?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Against the machine. Blank against the machine.
Game?
Laya ka dito.
Pakinggan nyo to mamaya, ha? Pagkatapos,
Anong genre?
mamaya.
Ang may...
Time! The correct answer would be Rage Against the Machine.
Wala talaga.
They are a band. They are an awesome, awesome band. Mga kids, pakinggan ang Rage Against the Machine.
Medyo luma ata.
90s at umabot pa ng mga 2000s. They're an awesome band. Okay, here we go. After 3 games ay 29-28, 1 point lead para sa Gimme 1. So, okay lang yan. Meron pa tayong 2 more games remaining. Tignan natin kung makumpleto na ba ng Team Single ang kanilang comeback sa pagbabalikan ng Mix Olympics! Welcome back to Mix Olympics! After 3 games, ang score natin 28 points para sa Team Single and 29 points para sa Gimme 1. Close na close pa. So it's anybody's ball game. So punta naman tayo ngayon sa game number 4 which is called High Profile. Members of each team gets to pick a name from the box provided. They must describe that person to their fellow members. Their team members will then guess the correct answer. Each team will be given 3 minutes to guess a total of 12 items. Each correct answer is equivalent to 2 points. We will start off with you guys since kayo ang natalo sa ating last game. Neil over here, on my go ha, wag muna bumunot. Okay? 3 minutes, 12 items, high profile, 3, 2, 1, go. Number 3.
Joan Erich.
Correct, next. 5.
Si Bagito.
Nash.
Kompleto guys.
Nash Agua.
Correct, next. 22.
Hindi ko alam.
Pass. Kylie Jenner.
Oh my God!
Next.
Kapatid nila, Kendall.
11.
Newscaster siya sa TV Patrol. Na sexy siya. And Karina Bernadette Sembrano.
Ted Pailon.
Hindi. Babae!
Ganda no.
Sexy! Oo. Star Magic artist din siya.
Number 11.
Jessie Molino.
Correct, next. Very good.
Hindi ko narinig yung babae kasi.
8.
Kapatid ni Jasmine.
Andre.
Correct, very good.
Wala. Oh my gosh, Princess Diaries. Anne Hathaway.
Next, John. Very good. Galing.
Go Jan.
Hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan pero English.
Ano? Tapos, pass.
Sige, go.
Pass, Charlie Puth. Kumanta ng correct. See you again.
See you again.
Go.
14.
Pass.
Pass, Jake Gyllenhaal.
Who's that?
Number 1.
Tatay ni Diego.
Sesame.
Correct. Very good. Ella, last round.
I can feel my face when I'm with you. The Weeknd.
Correct. Next, John.
Go,
Last
John.
2 items.
Good one.
Para sa akin lahat ng pass ah.
Yan. Number 9.
Kapartner ni Inigo Pascual.
Julia Barreto. Sophia Andres.
Next, that is right.
Umayos ko.
12.
Kung hindi alam.
Volleyball player. Gretchen Hall. Leo.
Elijah Valdez.
Correct. That is right. Tama na. Last na yun. So they got 18 points. 9 out of 12 items. Not bad. 7 ang kanilang passing rate. Saktong-sakto talaga. Team single, kaya talunin ng 9 items. Okay, Luigi over here.
Guys,
Kylie Jenner.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, 12 items. Team single, 3, 2, 1, go.
because I'm all about that bass.
Nicki
about
Minaj?
that bass.
Hindi, ano na?
I'm all about the bass. About the
Correct. Next, very good. Megan Trainor. 50.
Baby.
Justin Bieber.
Next.
Come on, guys, let's do this. Let's do this.
Oy, walang actions ha. Describe lang dapat. 6.
Kapartner ni Grace po sa election. Vice President.
Fernando.
Inay.
Party Evangelista.
Ano?
At sa Chris Escudero.
Correct. Next. Pasok. 72.
Sorry.
17. Harry Styles. Of 1D.
I don't like
Two.
Shake Fries.
Shaking press pa talaga ginamit mo.
Ano?
7.
Ito siya sa cast na Nathaniel. Babae, going bulilit. Ano siya? Ano? Same siya ng apelido na. Oo, yan.
Si Luigi ha?
Magpatay ka na. Magpatay ka na. Nagigising mo mama.
Charlene San Pedro. 20.
Bag. May bag siya. Ay,
Ako ba yan?
tabak ng bag.
Prada.
Brother.
Gucci.
Gucci.
Babango.
Dior.
Madami.
Describe mo pa siya.
Artista siya,
Philippines.
Kala Philippines. International.
Ariana.
Iman.
Ano?
May performance siya,
Pwede mag-pass ha?
Paris Hilton.
Yan.
Paris Hilton. Go.
Gusto yan. 21.
Love on top.
Correct, Luigi.
He's a rapper from the States.
Oh, it's brown.
Yeah.
Correct. And he was more of this.
Provinciano.
Coco Martin.
Yes.
Wow. Galing, guys ha? Last two.
Kapartner ni Inigo.
Sofia Andres. Villaberto.
Correct. Last one, Shay. 3, 4.
Nagpakalbo siya dati. Na-depress.
Yun. Galing. Grabe. Sige. They got 24 for this one. Very good. 10 correct items. So, I think lumabang na kayo yata ng 1 point. So, ang score natin, 48 for team single and 47 para naman sa Gimme 1. Maganda magiging bakbakan natin for the last game. Game number 5 coming up on Mix Olympics! Welcome back to Mix Olympics! We are down to our last game, but before we get to that, score recap natin, 48 for team single and 47 for Gimme 1. So sa last game, game number 4, nakalamang na kayo for the very first time. Tignan natin if you can hold on to the lead or if you guys can come back and win the game. Okay, ang game number 5 natin, ang tawag dito ay Oy na to! Members of each team will act out the word they pick from the box provided. Their team members will then guess the correct answer. Strictly no talking and no mouthing of words. Each team will be given 3 minutes to guess a total of 12 items. Each correct answer is equivalent to 5 points. So, since natalo sa last game, ang Gimme 1, kayo ang mauuna, give me one member na manghuhula, so it's gonna be you, Rene, at kayo naman ang tatlong sasayaw para sa kanya or magpapahula. Okay, so give me one representative na bubunot dito para hindi magulo. Okay, may isang taga-bunot.
Para kita na agad.
Okay, so Ella, ikaw ang bubunot. You can show it to your teammates, of course, para tatlo kayong nag-act out. On my go, ha? 3 minutes, 12 items. Every correct answer will give your team 5 points. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hit it.
Folk na dahil.
Okay, Vogue, pinasikat of course ni Madonna. Gumaganyan si Madonna sa kanyang video before. Madonna, pinasikat ni Madonna back in the 80s. If you search it on YouTube, makikita nyo kung bakit siya sumikat. Okay? Kayo naman, over here. Who's dancing? Who's guessing?
Look at here,
You know the dances, no?
Sure?
Or ikaw na lang?
Ikaw.
Sige,
Dalawa na lang kayo.
Pwede, isa lang.
Ikaw na lang kaya.
Sir?
Okay, substitution! Last minute substitution. Tira natin kung mag-pay off. 12 items, 3 minutes. So, Makoy, ikaw ang bubunot. Show it to your teammates, okay?
Kayo kayo.
3, 2, 1, go!
Superman. Superman! Superman nga! Soup that. Soup. English. Okay, ano nga yun? Hindi ko na siya maalala.
Magpasa.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Next, go!
Ballet.
Next!
Ato. Rumba, dance court, tango, jive, samba. Ano yan? Waltz.
Nice! Galing! Good job!
Robot.
Okay, sige, tuloy lang. Continue.
Waltz. Jive. Ano ba yan? English, Tagalog. Ano yan? Exercise, energetic dance, Zumba!
Yay! Good job! Sige, sayo pa.
Ano yan? Teach me how to doggy.
Okay, next!
No.
Oh my God, X-Legend fan! Ano ba yan? Yo!
Anong tawag dyan?
I'm hungry.
Wala, ganun ka.
Wait,
Huwag na ako. Alam nyo, expertise na to.
Tagalog.
Papakita ko nga naman.
English.
1 minute!
Alam ko yan! Casting!
Yan! Sabi sa inyo, sinample ako, nakuha. 11.
Makarana. Makarana. Asarahe.
Yes! 3 more!
Salinong kanila wala.
Nabunod nyo nga lahat ng mahihirap,
Ano
guys.
yan? Tagalog.
O, ikaw.
English.
Yan.
Belly dancing. Okay.
Di nyo kasi nagawa na maayos, mga boys. Nakuha ka agad kayo. Gumawa ko yun. 30 seconds.
Giyumi.
Last.
Rain dance. Ethnic dance. Sun dance.
Tama na. Sa kabila na dapat yan. Wow! So they got 60 points for the last game! Good job, Team Single! At ang final score natin, breaking away sa game number 5, 108 points para sa Team Single and 67 para naman sa Gimme 1. Close na close ang ating laban kanina pero bigla na lang lumayo ang Team Single at dahil dyan, awarding ceremony tayo guys over here to the front. Congratulations to Team Single! Meron kayong gold medal courtesy of Mixed Olympics. Alright, there you go guys. Anong gusto nyo sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood at sa inyong mga kakompetensya ngayong araw na to?
Overwhelmed.
No sweat, no sweat.
No sweat, Maris? No sweat? Madali lang?
Makapansin nyo to.
I'm so happy I have this finally. I don't have.
Oh, you don't have? It's been how many Sorry, what, guys? It's been how many times? Three times? Three times you should, I guess. Okay, come on.
Medal?
Yeah.
Yung last ko sa ano pa lang yun eh. 7-kilometer run.
Why not?
Ito yung next.
Add that to the list. So congratulations, Team Single. Makakanat sila. And kayo naman, of course, give me one. Anong gusto sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood?
Mag-aaral kami ng complex.
Hindi naman, alalahin ng binurot ko, pandanggo. Bawi na lang sa susunod. But I hope everybody enjoyed for today. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much to 12 Monkeys as well. At of course, marami pa tayong mga exciting episodes ng Mix Olympics na darating sa inyo. So once again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. I hope everybody enjoyed. At sana nag-enjoy din lahat ng mga nanood sa atin ngayon. Make it trend once again. This is Mix Olympics!
How to make does respond on KineMaster. First, grab Swirl 2.0. Set the CD to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Grab 2 pitches, one of them -6, and man voice changer, the other normal. Sync the 2 pitches together. Grab color changer, set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger, and here's the result. That's it. How to not make does not respond on KineMaster. Make it bigger. Get the exported version. Flip it. Grab 2 pitches. How to make KineMaster.
Kova. Dati ang aking buhay ay kulang sa sigla. Gandang taglay ko ay hindi nila makita. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, ang beauty ko'y nililingon na. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. Mundo'y magiging makulay. Sa isa shop, life is worth living.